Speed, titikim ulit ng ano, ng balut. Yan, dip.
Dapat may kutsara.
Dip it. Come on, Speed, eat it. Go, Speed.
Tunukin mo lahat.
Yan. Yeah.
What's that horse though? What horse? His horse.
Yeah, it's the kidney.
What's that horse?
It's like the white part. It's the kidney.
Come on, eat it.
Hindi, matigas hindi ko kain.
It's good.
I know.
Di nyo nakain yung matigas?
Hindi ko.
50 grams of protein.
Wow, protein pala yan, no?
Yes, sir.
Nice, na-enjoy naman ni Speed. At least, yun ang malaga.
Me now. Who declared that?
No, it's quack quack.
Oh.
Na-trauma na siya sa meow-meow, yung pusa. No, that's not a meow-meow, bro. Don't worry, bro.
Man, he hungry. Look at him.